Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error. For example, if you have recently joined the beta program for the iPhone iOS and you want to install a new beta profile, and after that if you click on install, then you see this kind of error. Safari could not install a profile due to unknown error. So how you can fix that? So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply check your Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your Wi-Fi is connected or not. And the next thing you have to do, you have to click on airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after clicking on settings you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after that resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to simply check for software update, and you have to make sure that you have turned on the beta profiles, and you have to simply turn on the beta profile, and you have to check whether any beta profile is available or not. There may be reason that there is no beta profile available to download. So after doing all the things, what you have to do, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the Apple Support in Safari so that you can simply solve the error. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for some time so that the next beta profile is available to download. So how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and after that you have to make sure that you have turned on the beta updates. As you turned on beta updates, if you see a new kind of profile, then you will be able to download the profile. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.